No man, I wait off Easter bun. Yesterday the Easter bun buy. No man. No. Yo Leo. Yes daddy? I wait off Easter bun. So we are look for him for. Raphael, now you eat the last piece this morning. Don't call me name, Bridget. You see me name bun? Watch me on the next training. Watch me on, you hear? So no cause no my youth. So yo, who name the man bun for real? Me no know, you know. So dog shit, are you name it off? Make sure everybody walking man bun, you know, cause me night we do, you know. Children, come. Why for that still? Forward in father. You have a mission, you must take out a goat thief by the house down the road. No man, father from week you have up a mission. Me tired no one go rest and round pushing up PUBG. Me tired of this. If you don't do the mission, no dinner for you tonight. So what for dinner tonight, daddy? Mackerel and rice. Bomba, mackerel and rice are my favorite, that you know? Alright, on him. Come in my side, let's go. Oh sir, I know you are leader, you know? On to the big head boy, man. Come in my side, let's go. Dance. Yo, I so green night place, brother. Oh, see boy, Raphael, him beard once a week, you know. Now make me this, you remember, say everybody watch still brand new, you know. Brother, what a cool, so I mean, I beard so often, you see. Yo, Mike, keep on a mess, bro. When last a beard, bro? Last month, bro. Yo, bomba, that's your nasty, bro. 1 month. Would I love you if I lied? Would I love you if I cried? Would I love you? You tapping the elevator now, bro? Yo, we reach. Come on, man. Wait, hold on. I go thief that? Look like I am. You was going that tonight, man? Yo, watch out now. Me nah dead today now. Me overnight food na fridge for them later, you know? Hey, you. Are you the goat thief? You not hear what me just say? What if I am? We are here to stop you. Daddy, me sorry. Sorry for the piece of chicken me teeth out that pot what you, daddy. Me sorry for the piece of chicken me teeth. Me sorry. Sorry. Yo, that not look good?